How to use ClickUp for accounting. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use ClickUp for your accounting job. So if you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management tool that lets you have a space so you can manage all your tasks, all your details and others. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it for your accounting job. So first you can open your ClickUp dashboard and then go ahead to your left side to go to your one of your space. So maybe this one. And as you can see, there is plus icon here to create folders, lists, docs, and more. You can click it. And we're gonna go to templates here. You can click on it. After that, it will brings you to the template center and there are a lot of options. But for this video, we're gonna go to counting template. You can just search counting and we'll find several templates. You can choose whatever you want, but let's say I'm gonna choose this one, accounting journal. And this is the description. As you can see, use ClickUp accounting journal to digitally record every business transaction more accurately. And there are template includes status group. If you click it, there is one status, open and complete. And then there is custom fields. You can see there is transaction date, journal type, receipt, entry number, debit and credit. And also there is view types, which is list view and doc view. And if you think this is good, you can just click use template here, or if you want to get another template, you can just click on it and then you can read it. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, accounting journal, and I'm gonna click use template. And then you can give a name, maybe accounting journal, just like that. And then you can choose where should this list to be created. I'm gonna choose this one. And then you can import anything if you need it. And then you can choose if you want to include archive tasks. I will just click no. And after that, you can just click use template in the bottom right corner here. After wait a few seconds, as you can see, my accounting journal templates already created. And this is the templates. You can, modify it. There are a lot of data from here and maybe you want to just delete all of these and then you can start from scratch. You can just customize it. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.